Hello everyone, welcome back to NAHINA Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to install SAP S/4HANA on the virtual machine. As a prerequisite, we need to do the sizing and the hardware preparation. For sizing and hardware preparation, you can install the SAP systems on the VMware workstation. If you want detailed information on the VMware workstation, I have made a detailed video on the VMware workstation. I will paste the URL on the description. And as a second step, we have to download the software and generate the stack file. For this, I have created a detailed video for stack file generation from the maintenance planner. I will paste the URL in the description. You can go through that. And in the third step, once we download the software, we need to install the HANA database. So this is the third step. For this, again, I have made a detailed video on the HANA database installation. I will paste the URL in the description. Please go through that. Then once all these steps are completed, finally we will install the SAP S/4HANA application. So in today's video, we will show you how to install SAP S/4HANA. Log into SAP S/4HANA application server using root user. Check the mount points df-h, USR SAP and MNT SAP media. Go to USR SAP. Here we have copied the S/4HANA application software S4 underscore 2022. These are the all SAR files and stack.xml file which is generated from the maintenance planner, downloaded from the SAP Service Marketplace. Go to MNT SAP media. Here we will create one folder SAP inst underscore log and we'll give the full permission chmod 777 to SAP inst underscore log. And we will execute SWPM from this folder because it will store all the log files related to the SWPM. So it will be easy to troubleshoot in case of any errors. Go to SAP inst underscore log. Execute SAP inst of SWPM from SAP inst underscore log. MNT SAP media SWPM SAP inst will execute with additional SAP inst parameter, that is SAP inst underscore stack underscore XML, and we'll give the path of the stack file. Copy the URL https SAP S4EA and paste in any of the browser. We are opening Google Chrome and paste the URL. Click advanced. and choose proceed with unsafe method and enter root credentials. This is the SWPM for SAP S4 HANA Server 2022. Expand SAP S4 HANA Server 2022. Expand SAP HANA Database. Choose installation. Expand application server ABAP. Expand standard system and choose standard system and click next. Choose custom and click next. And installation directory SAP inst underscore log is not owned by group SAP inst. Solution is SWPM will give the permission automatically. Click OK. And this is the again the group permission with the 755. Click OK to give SAP inst automatically will give the permissions. These are SAP SID, S4A and mount directory. Click next. So this is the domain name selection. If you have domain name, you can choose the domain name. You can add the domain name here. If you don't have domain name, uncheck this selection and click next. And enter the master password. So this is the password will be updated in all the selection screen in the next password fields. This is the database information. Database host, database SID, the instance number of the database, and this is the system credential. So it will be updated with the master password. If you want to add your own password, you can add it here. Click next. This is a multi-database container. Enter the password of systemdb system user. Click next. These are some missing latest version of SAP EXESR, IGS, exe.sr. If you click on the SAR file, it will divert to the service marketplace, and from there you can download the latest file. So we have already downloaded the latest file. Choose the folder which is having the latest SAR files. Select SAR underscore files. Click next. See, these status of these files are available in the directory now. Click next. SAP host agent.sar. Since we have selected SAR files which is having these files, so status is available. Click next. This is the password of SAP ADM. This is updated with the master password. Click next. This is a HANA client software installation path. There are two options, local or central. So we'll select local and click next. This is a HANA client software path. So since we have selected SAR underscore files, which is having this client software, so status is available. Click next. This is the location for the export software, S4 HANA export software. The status showing still missing. You have to choose that S4 HANA media files, that is S4 underscore 2022. That folder is under USR SAP. Choose S4 underscore 2022. Click next. Now you can see the status is available. Click next. This is additional archives. So if you want to install software for PI, you can choose it. Otherwise, we can proceed. Click next. This is a database schema information. Schema name is SAP HANA DB. Enter the schema password. Click next. This is the DBA cockpit database schema information. Enter valid schema password and click next. This is the secure store database connection. So to connect application to database, you have to set the HDB user store. Choose HDB user store and click next. These are the default HANA database parameters. If you want to add additional parameters, you can click add and enter the parameter. Click next. This is the installation export. It depends on your memory. So you can increase the parallel jobs or decrease, depends on your memory in the server. And this is the database SID ADM password. Click next. This is the SAP HANA multi-tenant database container information. SID, instance number and password. Click next. SAP Live Cache with SAP HANA. If you want to install, you can choose. Otherwise, go with the default. Click next. This is the primary application server and message server instance numbers. This is the default instance number. If you want to give the different instance number, you can choose with the different instance number. Click next. This is the port details, message server ports. This is the work processes, number of work processes, dialog work process and background work process. Again, it depends on your RAM size, so you can increase or decrease. Click next. This is the web ADM credential. So this is the password, is the default master password. Click next. This is a SLT destination. If it is test demo system, we will choose no SLT destination. Click next. Message server access list. Do not create message server access list. Click next. If you want to install additional components along with the SES, you can choose the web dispatcher and gateway. Otherwise, go with the default option. Click next. These are system security parameters. We'll go with the default parameters. Click next. This is a secure storage key generation. For production, we have to choose individual key. Otherwise, you can go with the default key. Click next. If you want to change the DDAC credentials, you can specify the passwords. If you want to keep the same as master password, click next. You can configure the TMS, that is HTMS configuration. So if you choose run TMS configuration for single system, so SWPM will configure the TMS for you. And here you have to enter TMS ADM credential in 000 client. Click next. This is import spam saint update. So if you want to update the spam saint, you have to specify the SAR file. Otherwise, choose no. Click next. If you have additional transport request, you can choose yes, and you can specify the directory for the transport files. If you don't have transport request, you can choose no and click next. If you want to add install additional languages like Arabic, you can choose add and enter the specific SAR files. Otherwise, default language will be installed, German and English. Click next. These are the software update manager informations, like if you have selected FPS latest versions, you can choose extract SEM and start SEM automatically. So if it is the initial shipment, you can go with the default parameters. Click next. Here you have to specify the archive locations for SEM2. Since we have selected in S4_22, its status is available. Click next. Password for SID ADM of application, that is S4A ADM. Click next. If you want to clean up operating system users, you can choose yes. So SWPM will clean all SID ADM and click next. This is a summary of the parameters. Review the parameters which you have entered in the previous screens. If you want to modify any parameters, choose the parameter and click revise. Click next. Now all the service will be executed. So click on the task list and you can check the status of the task. Software update manager has been started now. You can copy this URL and open in any of the browser and continue the SEM process. Once the software update is completed, then you can come back to this screen and click OK. Now S4 HANA installation is completed. Click OK. This is the feedback form to SAP, and this is optional. If you want to fill the form and you can send to SAP, or you can close it. Click on close. That's it, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to NAHINA Tech. Thank you for watching NAHINA Tech.